your digital bodyguard without the spandex. Today, I'll be diving into something called Google's Safety Core. Now, I know what you're thinking. Safety Core sounds about as thrilling as watching paint dry. But trust me, this is actually pretty important stuff. And we'll make it fun, I promise. Think of me as your tech translator, here to demystify the jargon. So what exactly is this mysterious safety core? Imagine your computer or phone as a medieval castle. You've got walls, maybe a moat, and hopefully some burly guards to keep the bad guys out. Google's Safety Core is kind of like the super-powered, highly trained security team for your digital life when you're using Google services. In plain English, it's a set of built-in security features and technologies that Google uses to try to keep you safe while you're browsing the web, using Gmail, watching YouTube, or doing anything else that involves Google. Think of it as the unsung hero working behind the scenes to protect you from all sorts of digital nasties. What's in it for you, the user? This is where it gets interesting. The Safety Core offers a bunch of benefits that make your online experience a whole lot less stressful. Here are a few key perks. Malware mayhem prevention. It helps to detect and block those sneaky viruses and malicious software that can wreak havoc on your devices and steal your precious data, like that embarrassing selfie you accidentally took. Phishing fiasco fighter. Remember those dodgy emails pretending to be your bank, asking for your password? The Safety Core helps to identify and warn you about these phishing attempts, so you don't accidentally hand over your digital crown jewels to some internet villains. Account protection powerhouse. It uses things like two-factor authentication prompts and suspicious activity detection to help keep your Google account secure from unauthorized access. Basically, it makes it harder for hackers to waltz into your digital castle uninvited. Safe Browser Buddy. When you're clicking links like a digital explorer, the Safety Core checks if those websites are safe. If a site looks suspicious or known for trouble, it'll give you a heads up, saving you from potentially landing in a digital danger zone. So in short, the Safety Core is like having a vigilant, tireless bodyguard watching your back in the online world. Pretty neat, huh? Okay, but what information does the digital bodyguard collect? Now, this is the part where some eyebrows might raise. To do its job effectively, the Safety Core does need to collect certain types of information. Think of it like this. Your bodyguard needs to know who you are and what you're doing to protect you properly. Here's a simplified look at some of the information that might be involved. Activity logs. This includes things like browser history, search queries, and interactions with Google services. This helps the Safety Core understand your typical online behavior and spot anything unusual. Device information. Details about the device you're using, like its type of operating system, can help identify potential vulnerabilities. Location data sometimes. If you've given permission, your location data might be used to detect suspicious login attempts from unusual places. Imagine someone trying to log into your account from Antarctica when you're clearly sipping coffee in Meadow Lake. That's a red flag. Security-related data. Information about potential threats, like detected malware or phishing attempts, is collected to improve the system for everyone. It's important to remember that Google states its commitment to protecting your privacy and gives you controls to manage your data. You can often review and adjust your privacy settings within your Google account. The million-dollar question: who benefits the most? This is the big one, isn't it? Who really gets the most out of Google's safety core, the user or Google? The honest answer: both. Why users benefit. As we've discussed, the safety core provides crucial protection against online threats, keeping your data and devices safer. This saves you from potential headaches like identity theft, financial loss, and the general stress of dealing with digital disasters. So from a direct protection standpoint, users are big winners. Why Google benefits. A safer online environment ultimately benefits Google too. If users feel secure using Google services, they're more likely to continue using them. Plus, a robust security system helps maintain Google's reputation and user trust. It's a bit like a store having good security. It protects the store, but it also makes customers feel safer shopping there. The verdict. While Google does collect data to operate the safety core, and yes, that data can be used to improve their services and potentially for advertising, though anonymized and aggregated in many cases. The primary function is to protect the user. It's a symbolic relationship. You get a safer online experience, and Google gets to maintain a secure and trusted platform. So the next time you're browsing the web or checking your Gmail, remember that Google's safety core is working quietly in the background, like your very own digital bodyguard, minus the intimidating muscles and questionable fashion sense. It might not be the most glamorous topic, but it's definitely something to appreciate. Stay safe, stay secure, and thanks for tuning in. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and